Hi, my paranormal friends. Today we're going to be summoning a ghost. Ooh. Well, we're going to need Arm & Hammer's baking soda, of course, empty plastic water bottle, a tablespoon, a measuring cup, some vinegar, and a funnel in a balloon. You may free draw a face for the ghost. Step 1. Pour the vinegar into the bottle, half a cup. There. Let's put that out of the way. Now we take our funnel and put the ghost on it. Ooh. And then you take the Arm & Hammer's baking soda and a tablespoon. Take a tablespoon and now pour. There. Now let's put the balloon. You remove the balloon from the funnel and put on the bottle. Be careful not to let any get into the vinegar. And now, my friend the ghost, I summon you. I say, my friend the ghost, come on. You hear it? It's happening. The ghost.